Hi there, my name is Derek Lewis, and this summer I'm doing my project on the material properties of carbon fiber reinforced polymer, colloquially known just as carbon fiber. So some background on carbon fiber is a composite material made from a fiber reinforced resin or epoxy. It's incredibly strong and super lightweight. Some of its uses include aerospace materials, long cables, and motorsports. For example, the Xfinity series, the second highest series in the NASCAR ladder, recently switched their body material from sheet metal to a carbon fiber based composite. This kept the cars similar in strength, but made them over 150 pounds lighter just by changing the material of the body. So how is carbon fiber created? The manufacturing is a part mechanical and part chemical process. Uh, the carbon fibers are created through a process of spinning, stabilizing, carbonizing, surface treatment, and sizing. Um, the fibers are first spun together, then treated with chemical agents to thermically uh, make their atomic bonding stable, um, and carbonized, and the surface is treated by immersion in various gases or liquids. Then they're cut to the correct size for their use. Then, to finish the creating of the materials, they are put inside of a uh, polymer matrix. So the microstructures of carbon fiber. The carbon fibers themselves are made from thousands of carbon filaments arranged in a long strand, and then those long strands are bound by a thermoset plastic. So 90% of modern carbon fibers are made from a certain material called polyacrylonitrile, created in the 1960s in Japan. The polymer matrix, is often nylon or polyester.